Hey everyone, and welcome back. So in this one we are going to be looking at how attackers exploit the file transfer protocol FTP to gain access and exfiltrate files from a server, right? And we are going to start by discovering the service. After we discover the service, we will try to identify vulnerabilities that are running that are linked to that service, and then launch exploits in order to gain access into that system, right? So before we begin, I just want to let you know that this video is strictly for educational purposes. Do not misuse the knowledge that you gain from it. Use it only for the good of the internet. Do not abuse it. And with that said, roll up your sleeves, guys, and let's get started. So I'm heading straight to my terminal, and the first thing, as always, would be to look at my IP address on ETH0 since I'm on a wired connection, and the IP address is 192.168.1.129. I'm going to now run a host discovery scan to find out which other targets are up and running on this particular system. And to do that, I'll do an Nmap SN, and we just run it on the entire network, right? So it's going to be a quick one, and now we have the results. You have our default gateway IP address is running at the top, and this is the Linux server that we are looking at. I'm going to now run a service discovery scan on that particular server, and to do that, I'll do nmap sv, and then I'll run it on port 21. FTP runs on port 21. Now we have the port 21 over TCP is open, the service is FTP, and the version is VSFTPD 2.3.4. Now that we've discovered this, I'm going to copy this, right, and head straight to our Metasploit console. Let's have it. The Metasploit console is here and waiting for us. Let me just clean up the screen and search for VSFTPD, and we have an exploit Unix FTP VSFTPD backdoor remote execution, which is, by the way, an excellent exploit, not been checked before, but it can give us a backdoor command execution. I'm going to use one, then look at the options, and all we need that is required will be to set the remote host, which is the IP address of our target machine. So I'm going to do set rhost to that IP address, hit enter, and show options to make sure that everything is well set. And I think everything is good, so I'm going to run the exploit. And when I run the exploit, you see it started by doing some banner grabbing, then it found a user and it got access as root, and it opened a session for us. So I'm going to do sysinfo. It says that's not a command that I recognize, so I think host name should work. Yes, and we got the host name as the Metasploit table. Let's see if we can get a shell. Alright, it found a shell admin bash. Let's do ifconfig. Now we are as root as Metasploit table. You can do ls to see the Linux file system here in the root. cd to home / msf admin ls, and you can see your files and every other thing. So there is a lot that